Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Bowman Sterling Baseball Hobby 2-box break number 21. Pick your team. We have Brian P. Cardinals, Cody H. Braves, Derek U. Rockies Marlins, Gary A. Orioles Brewers A's, Gregory K. Yankees, Jacob O. Astros, George M. Royals Rangers, J. Kim Blue Jays, Kyle P. Dodgers Phillies, Matt M. Twins, Rory B. Red Sox, Satonori Y. Angels, Scott T. Mets, Giants, and Padres, Stephen S. Pirates Rays, Stephen J. D-backs Guardians, Tigers Cubs Reds, Ty W. Nationals, Tim L. Mariners, and Tony K. White Sox. All right, good luck. We have 4 to go on that 3 and 2 first off the line iMac Hobby and Prism Hobby 3-box mixer, random team style. That's just $31.99 a spot. And our Chronicles Baseball 8-box half case pick your team style breaks have 10 and 14 teams left. I think those remaining teams have been marked down as well. It's Brian De La Cruz, Royce Quintana. Do we have a duel coming? It's Romy Gonzalez. And we do. Nice. That is dual auto. 25 of 25. Luis Angel Acuna and Brian Acuna. Rangers Twins. George M. with the Rangers. And Matt M. with the Twins. There you go. Nice dual auto. Mag this one, and then we'll random this at the end. It's Wilman Diaz and Jason Dominguez. If that was the triple with Ronald, then we would probably reach out to the owners and see what y'all wanted to do. But nice card, but not going to have the same value as the one with Ronald. All right, great start to the break. Let's keep it going. Ian Lewis, Colson Montgomery, and Ernie Clement. That is Mini Diamonds rookie to 150. This is Nationals auto Armando Cruz. Go Nats. There's Hunter Green rookie. Benny Montgomery, Hernandez, Colson Montgomery, Mini Diamonds to 150, and Angels. That is Speckle Auto, 1 of 99, Denzer Guzman. Go Angels. It's Mares and Frias. Brujan, Stephen Kwan, rookie. And C.J. Abrams, rookie gold refractor to 50. Nice one, Padres. This is Brewers, auto Sal Frelick. Go Milwaukee. There's Valera and Jordan. All right. O'Neill Cruz, Ellie De La Cruz, and that's Rays refractor auto to 150. Kyle Manzardo. You go Tampa Bay. We have tier 1 up after this. There's Ashby, Contreras, and C.J. Abrams rookie. We are sold out on that 3-box mixer. Just 10 and 14 to go on our Chronicles Baseball 8-box half case pick your team style breaks. Last 2 breaks of the day to fill up. And Tier 1 baseball is coming up next. All right. Here we go. Sonny Clement, Bobby Witt Jr. rookie, and Giants auto, Jairo Pomares. You go Giants. There's a Jeremy Pena rookie, Preciado and Burnable. Wood, Fairchild, and Nationals auto, Royce Quintana. Other hit for the Nats, there's Manning, Castro, and Gore. All right. Come on, big hit. Part, low. There's a Wander rookie. And nice. That is Reds auto, Ellie De La Cruz. There you go, Cincinnati. Nice hit. Congrats on the Ellie. Mag that one for you. It's Alvarez and Luciano. Pretty good 2-boxer here so far. We have that dual auto to random between the Rangers and Twins at the end of the break. Santana, Urbina, Cape, and Reds rookie auto, Alejo Lopez. Go Cincinnati, Rodriguez, and Ramos. All right, last mini box. Henry Davis, Berger, Siri, and Rockies auto, Benny Montgomery. There you go, Colorado. There's Spencer Strider rookie and Valade.
Well, offer you still on fire from that first break.
Oh yeah, no, we got a Pena rookie Mother's Day pink to 50 in the last one.
Jeez.
And then
So,
just
yeah,
got
you're
a
still-
2 of the 3 Acuna brothers there.
Yeah, you're still on.
Yeah. All right. We had a gold refractor rookie, CJ Abrams to 50 for the Padres. Rockies auto, Benny Montgomery. Reds rookie auto, Alejo Lopez. Nationals auto, Royce Quintana. Giants auto, Jairo Pomares. That's Rays refractor auto to 150, Kyle Manzardo. Brewers auto, Sal Frelick. Angels speckle auto to 99, Denzer Guzman. Nationals auto, Armando Cruz. We had Reds auto, Ellie De La Cruz. And we'll random this one here in just a sec. Luis Angel Acuna and Brian Acuna. Dual autograph, 25 of 25. That'll be random between the Rangers and Twins. Bowman. All right, here we go. Rangers and Twins. We will randomize 4 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rangers. There you go. Congrats, Rangers. And that will do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have Topps Tier 1 up next.